Hari Om. Canto 2, Vrindavana Khanda. Chapter 15. Description of the love of Sri Krishna and Radha. The conversation between Bahulashva and Narada continues. In response to Bahulashva's question, Sri Narada narrated how the Lord appeared and performed Ras Leela with Radha. One day, Radha's friends Lalita and Vishakha arrived at the house of Vrishabhanu. They said, "O Radha, the person whom are you thinking of all the time comes daily to Vrishabhanupura to graze his cows." The friends suggested that Radha could meet him when he comes to Vrishabhanupura. However, Radha replied that she would only meet him in person after seeing a picture of him drawn. As Radha requested, the two friends together drew a beautiful picture of Nandanananda and gave it to Radha. When Radha saw the picture, she was thrilled beyond words. She kept on looking at the picture and eventually fell asleep. Then she dreamt that Sri Krishna was dancing in the Bandhirava forest. Meanwhile, the Lord arrived at the narrow streets of Vrishabhanupura. Immediately, Radha's friends showed Krishna to Radha through a window. Upon seeing the Lord, Radha fainted. When the Lord also saw Radha, Krishna felt a desire to take a walk with Radha. Seeing Radha's overwhelming passion for Krishna, Lalita said, "O Radha, only Krishna can extinguish the flames of your heartache. If you wish to attain Krishna, you must strengthen your love for him." Hearing Lalita's words, Radha opened her eyes from sleep. Radha then said that if she cannot attain the lotus feet of Krishna, she would abandon her body, and that is her firm resolve. Hearing these words of Radha, Lalita became frightened and appealed to Krishna, who was sitting alone on the banks of the Yamuna river. She told him that Radha was intensely pining for him and that he must appear before her soon. Hearing Lalita's plea, the Lord comforted the Gopika and said, "Let all beings offer their hearts in love unto me. For upon this mortal realm, nothing exists that equals love. Radha's wishes shall be fulfilled in the Bandhirava forest." Great souls regard unconditional love as beyond the three gunas of the world. A true bhakta is he who beholds no distinction between myself and Radha. But those who divide us in thought and vision shall surely descend into the realms of suffering. After hearing these comforting words of Krishna, Lalita bowed down to Lord and went to Radha with a sweet smile. She said, "Radha, just as you desire, Krishna too wishes to be with you. The radiance of you both is indistinguishable from each other. Through your supreme devotion to Krishna, your wishes will be fulfilled." Thus Radha, desiring to please Sri Krishna, humbly requested her friend Chandranana, who was well versed in the knowledge of the supreme divine abode, to reveal the method of worship of a certain goddess, a worship that bestows the fulfillment of heartfelt desires and grants immense spiritual merit. Here ends the 15th chapter of the 2nd canto. Hari Om. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, comment and subscribe for more videos like this.